Good morning. I am Divya Rajashree, first year B.Ed student from English department. Various steps of organizing the course content or syllabus. Curriculum designing. Curriculum designing is nothing but organizing all the educational activities. It focuses on the creation of the overall course blueprint, mapping content and course outline. There are many types in it. First, structure-based organization. The structure of the English language are specified. It is the formation of the sentence by structuring words in a determined order. Selection of the structures depends upon the ability of the learners, age of the learners, the time given for teaching and availability of the materials. Next, the second type. It is an alternative to the structural syllabus. It lays major emphasis on the communicative purpose of speech act. Fluent and acceptable language is the primary goal of this syllabus. Situational syllabus. The course content organized on the basis of the situation. It is called situational syllabus. A structure or a word becomes meaningful when it is used in an appropriate situation. To give practice to the students and build up their vocabulary, this type helps a lot. Next, the topical or thematic syllabus. The course content organized on the basis of the topic. This type presents the language items related to the topic. Example, if the topic of the lesson is the village festival, the related language items to be taught are people, crowd, toys, vendors, and etc. Next, skill-based syllabus. It aims at developing the 4 skills of language. The syllabus is designed in a way giving more importance to the skills. It gives more importance to pronunciation. Next, communicative syllabus. This type is given more importance. It provides the learners a way to express the concept of seeking permission, requesting, regretting, and etc. In this approach, language is taught in order to communicate. The traditional way of learning the grammar is not given importance. Thank you.